let's get. But along comes the man in the business suit. That's me. Flashing his cash, burning your efforts down to ash, turning the sport into trash, creating the politician's game, where no one really cares about the players' glory and fame. I tread on your blood and sweat, looking for that green ink hit. You can't trust me. You can't trust me. Shuffling the deck time and again. Cherry picking them stats for the lies I wanna tell. Don't trust me. Yeah, Gaddy Anton Roberts hiding in plain sight. Got secret handshakes, code words, secret combinations, infiltrating and manipulating sports in every global nation. You wanna compete? Well, ain't that sweet? Just remember who pulls the levers and moves you. Little puppets on my hidden strings. You can't trust me. You can't bust me. Not unless you stand up. Please stand up. Please stand up. Anyone? Bueller? Thought so. You won't rage against this machine. You can't trust me. Shuffling the deck time and again. Cherry picking them stats for the lies I wanna tell. Don't trust me. Yeah. You can't trust me. My greed is the destroyer of all that is good. Yeah. You the underdog, why don't you lose like you should? You my favorite, but had a bad scraping the dust up. Don't worry, our sports network's gonna prop you back up. We'll make it look like it's right where you end up. I am like God, I already know who will lose, just like all those preseason rankings we produce. Yeah, right. Keeping the little guy down, cause we know it's hard as gold, but can't be gold if it takes away my green load. Guess what? You can't trust me. You can't trust me.